Hello, Matthew here. Okay, today we're going to talk about expanding brackets. Okay, so what does expanding brackets mean? It means that the value outside a bracket needs to be multiplied with all the terms in this bracket. Okay, so just a hint is that here between 2 and the opening of the brackets there is a multiplication sign which is not written in algebra. Okay, so how are we going to open up this bracket? How are we going to expand this bracket? So first, you're going to multiply 2, okay, with the first term x. So 2 times x, right? So there you have your first expression. Then you're going to write down this plus sign, and then you're going to multiply 2 with the second constant, okay, written in this bracket. So 2 times 4, 2 times 4. It is important that you multiply this number outside the bracket with all the terms and values inside the bracket. Okay, so 2 times x gives us 2x plus 2 times 4 gives us 8. And there you have your final answer. Okay, so let's move on to this. You have minus 4 multiplied by all the terms and constant inside of this bracket. So first we're going to multiply minus 4 by 2. So minus 4 times 2, okay, you write down this plus sign and then you're going to multiply minus 4 times g. Right? So minus 4 times 2 gives us minus 8. We write down the plus sign. Minus 4 times g gives us minus 4g. Is my expression ready? No, since we have two signs touching each other, and there we have to change them to one sign. And we know that from the rules of directed numbers that a plus multiplied by a minus gives us a minus sign. Okay, so there you write down the minus 8 and there you write down 4g. Okay, so final answer is minus 8 minus 4g. It is important to not leave both signs next to each other. Okay, always change them to a one sign. Next one, so minus 2 times 2h minus 2 times 2h. Okay, write down the minus sign and then multiply minus 2 times 3. Right, so there you have minus 2 times 2h gives us minus 4h. Write down the minus sign. Minus 2 times 3 gives us minus 6. Again, we have a double sign, minus and minus. We know that it gives us a plus sign. And then you have to write down minus 4h and 6 there. You should have your final answer. Okay, so you can pause the video and try these out for yourself, and then correct them with my solutions. Okay, so let's move on to these three examples. We have E times 3E. So first part is multiplying E by 3E. Okay, write down the plus sign and then E times 4. E times 4. Now we have E times 3E. A value which is not written is 1 here, okay? We don't write 1 in algebra. So first, work out the coefficients. 1 times 3 gives us 3. a times e gives us e squared plus e times 4 gives us a value of 4e. Okay, so do I add 3 with 4 here? No, because e squared represents a different variable from e. Okay, so there you have your final answer. Number 2, 4x times 9. We're going to expand the bracket. So 4x, okay, times 9. We write down the plus sign. Then we multiply 4x by 2x. 4x times 2x. Okay. So 4x times 9 gives us 36x. We write the plus. 4 times 2 gives us 8. X times x gives us x squared. Do we join these two together? No, since they are two different variables. Okay, last one. So you have 11b times 7b, 11b times 7b. You write down the minus sign there, then you multiply 11b times 2. So 11 times 7 gives us 77. B times b gives us b squared. Minus 11b times 2 gives us 22b. We don't subtract these two since they are both of different variables. B squared and b do not apply to the same family. So you leave your expression like that. Okay? Thank you for watching this video. I will see you again in the next one.